What are you grilling?
Tomatillos and serrano chilies. I make a mean green salsa.
So here's the story of the Wandering Knapps. We are a family of 5 from Texas. Chris and Jolene met in 2nd grade and began dating our freshman year of high school. We got married in college, moved to Texas, had 3 boys, fell in love with the water, sold everything to travel the Caribbean. Join us on our adventure.
What are you doing?
Putting our new heat exchanger back in on our starboard engine.
That's it?
Yep, that's it. Sweating.
It's hot as Hades.
It's just no breeze, especially down here in the engine room.
What are you making, Carter?
Get in here. We're making a pool.
In the front of the boat?
Yeah. Jeez. Filling up the pool.
He's messing with our rug. And now we know why. Oh, he's so gross. Okay, Chris is gonna try to capture it. They are not welcome in our boat. I'm moving. Hold on. Here to do that. Let me get out of your way.
Feet are like stuck to the carpet.
I don't care. Rip him apart. He's a cockroach. Where did he come from? All of our doors were shut, so it's in the hallway. Where are you gonna take it?
Away.
They swim, don't they?
I think so.
I don't have a light. I can't see it. Is he in there? Is it in there? Okay. I'm not touching that paper. Just go throw it away in the garbage over there. That's gross.
Good boy. He caught the cockroach.
Ugh. What are you boys making?
I think we need to make 2 times smaller. Less is small.
Well, but what are you making?
Mug cakes.
Mug cakes.
We're making snickerdoodle mug cakes.
Oh, okay.
I switched it up so I get the first bite.
So, what's next?
I think we should make it a double. The last thing we need is 2 tablespoons.
How is it?
It's great. Good. I have to say, not the best. 4-star. I'd give it like 2.
I think y'all liked it pretty good. It's gone.
I'd give it a 2.
Not even one bite?
Now we made Oreo mug cakes. Who's gonna try first?
Me.
Oreo mug cake. How's it?
Amazing.
Amazing. What do you think, Carter?
Hot, hot,
Hot.
Good, hot. Good and hot.
We got a ton of boxes today. It was a good mail day. Carter's especially excited. What'd you get?
I got my great courses that Grandma Stewie ordered me.
What are the greatest courses?
College math and college stuff.
Okay, let's see.
I got math and magic.
Math and magic.
The joy of mathematics.
The joy of mathematics.
And
a magazine?
And then a
You just got 2 of them.
magazine.
Awesome. So do we make you do math all day, or what's up with all the math?
I love it.
You love it? Why?
Because I just do.
I also got in the mail our favorite storage containers. Is this like Baker storage set because it keeps moisture out and it keeps water out, and the salt water is terrible. So yay! I got all of these for...
Should we test by throwing one in the water?
No, you don't throw it in the water. Crazy man.
Test it.
So we filled all of our containers, and this is exactly why we wanted them. We put brown rice in this container, and let me shake it up a little bit. You can see there's bugs. There's bugs in our brown rice, and you can like see them crawling. So this is why we're getting rid of our old containers and got these nice watertight containers, because that's absolutely disgusting.
We're gonna dump it out.
Storms just kind of pop up out of nowhere. Yeah, it's too late. The many times we have to stay up, it's just too late. We didn't get a chance to take it down. Look at those whitecaps in the bay. This is the bay, not even the... Living on a boat, we've come to embrace social distancing, isolation, and quarantine, or whatever term you use, of a lifestyle of travel. It's what we've been doing for the past year. We were already homeschooling, spending more time together, playing games, cutting everyone's hair, and provisioning for months on end at a time. You could say that boat life is the same as COVID isolation life. We truly do know how fortunate we are to have found ourselves isolated in such a beautiful place during this time. As a liveaboard, there are restrictions. However, we still have a lot of freedoms here in the Florida Keys while we live on our boat. We are free to leave for essentials any day that we choose. We are free to fish, to go swimming, and to take the dinghy around to reefs and to snorkel. We are asked to stay 50 feet away from other boats and not take more than 10 people on our boat at any one time.
If you recall on our shakedown cruise, our anchor drug during a storm and we found ourselves struggling. Since then, we've measured, counted, marked our chain, and bought a new anchor for living off the grid and out on the hook. Next week, we'll go into more detail about what we bought and why. As always, thank you for watching.
Hey guys, I also wanted to give just a quick real-time update. We are currently still in the Florida Keys, but we feel our time in the Keys is coming to an end shortly. We do have a few plans, but nothing's set in stone, so keep watching next Friday and we will go into more detail about where we are headed next. Have a great week. Bye.